In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pan in Inkscape so you can navigate your designs with absolute ease. Whether you are working on a small icon or a massive vector illustration, knowing how to move your canvas efficiently is one of the most important skills you can master to speed up your workflow. This is a comprehensive guide covering every possible way to move around your project, from mouse shortcuts to keyboard modifiers. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more creative software tutorials. To get started, go ahead and open your Inkscape document. Before we try any movement, you want to ensure the canvas is focused. If you are recently typing inside a text box, simply click once on a blank area of the canvas or press escape to ensure your keystrokes are registered as navigation commands rather than text entry. Now, let's dive into method 1, which is the middle mouse button technique. This is by far the most popular and fastest way to navigate. Simply press and hold the middle mouse button, which is usually your scroll wheel. While holding it down, drag your mouse in any direction. You will see the canvas move exactly with your hand movement. This is a 360-degree pan that allows for fluid motion across your entire workspace. If you don't have a middle mouse button or prefer using your keyboard, method 2 is spacebar panning. Simply hold down the spacebar on your keyboard. While the spacebar is held, move your mouse around. The canvas will follow your cursor movement perfectly. Once you reach the area you want to work on, just release the spacebar to stop and lock the view. This is a fantastic alternative for laptop users or those using a stylus. Method 3 involves using the scroll wheel directly. If you roll the mouse wheel up or down, the canvas will pan vertically. However, a common question is how to move left and right. To do this, simply hold the Shift key on your keyboard and roll the mouse wheel. You will notice the canvas now moves horizontally. It is important to remember that control and the scroll wheel is reserved for zooming, so if your view starts getting larger or smaller, make sure you are not accidentally holding the control key. If you find yourself zooming by mistake, just release the control key and stick to Shift for side-to-side movement. For those who prefer a more traditional interface, method 4 is using the scroll bars. You can click and drag the horizontal bar located at the very bottom of the screen to move left or right, or use the vertical bar on the right side to move up and down. If you do not see these bars on your screen, don't worry. Simply go to the top menu, select View, then navigate to Show/Hide and ensure scroll bars is checked. You can also toggle these quickly by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B. For touchpad users, most modern devices support two-finger dragging, which allows you to pan both vertically and horizontally simultaneously, just like you would on a mobile device or a web browser. This acts as a natural extension of your hand and is very intuitive for those working on MacBooks or high-end Windows laptops. Mastering these shortcuts like Shift and mouse wheel for horizontal panning or the middle mouse button for free movement will make your design process significantly smoother and much more professional. Once you have these down, you won't ever have to rely on clicking tiny scroll bars ever again, which can be a real headache when you are in the middle of a complex vector path. This proficiency in movement is what separates beginners from power users in the Inkscape environment, and that's everything you need to know about panning in Inkscape. If this video helped you understand the different navigation tools available, please hit that like and subscribe button for more Inkscape tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.